Okay, so I need to build a tool that can connect to Google API, Google Ads API, and retrieve data, right? So for that, first let's go through the description. Let's understand it in a better way. Right, so right. So a keyword is basically what follows when you enter a word on a Google or any search engine, and if you're doing it in Google, then it actually tells you all the other keywords that are showing up related to it. So I want a similar way. So what I can do is I can actually open a document where I am actually writing what I require. So Google keyword planner. Let's name it to like this. So functionality is tool tool should connect to Google API, Ads API, and uh, then we need to provide it a word, for example, or keyword or a word which we are interested to find keywords for, right? Right. So two things. We should connect to Google Ads API, and we need to provide it a word, right? So right now I can listen that we need to do two things with it, right? Then what it should do is should like residence in Bangalore. So uh, right. For example, if I understand correctly, uh, best dentist. See, I've just searched for best dentist, so there are five keywords that are six actually which are coming up. So first is that how to access this information. Is Google Ads API is the right API to even get that information from? So first is uh, where will I get this information from? Right. So I'll figure out that. So let's check where can I find keyword uh, that auto populate in Google search engine. keyword tool as Google says. To use it, you just need keyword, and to keyword tool will then take all the keyword, sheet block, search block. So it's not Google autocomplete, right? With autocomplete, you can enter Google search more quickly. In turn off or remove a certain autocomplete section. Turn off personal results. We won't get personal protection. So no, this is not. Okay. How to use Google autocomplete? So when you type in a keyword in search result, you know you know how you get a list of your collection. This is called Google autocomplete. Its purpose is to save user time and fact. Do according to Google. It's the first time you can again. There is no doubt that this feature makes life easier for web and digital marketers. So taking the time to understand it can give you an edge over the competition. What is Google Complete? Google Autocomplete. Google Autocomplete is a Google search feature that provides search term predictions. Yeah. For example, if you type what is the capital of in the search bar, you will see something like okay. So I need to search API for Google Auto Complete. Okay. My services are service reference place prediction response to Google Autocomplete API. Google Autocomplete API. Google Autocomplete API allows you to suggest for a keyword. This API accesses is a API through uh, the following endpoint. Search. A user may query the following. Here's a playground interactive. Okay. Test. Recomforting the office coffee machine, waiting for the magic to happen. So what are we getting here? Uh, oh damn. So values. What is this LPI, bro? There's a count. Google Search API. Documentation pricing. Oh damn. But 100 searches. That's it. That is like, yeah, not very good. So, does Google provide API access to autocomplete search like the Apple site? I've not been able to find anything. This is kind is quiet, but I didn't test others. If you want to call back, this is. So what I will do is, yeah, uh, why Google Ads, bro? I don't understand. But I think I need to go on a call, bro.
The person you're calling is.
This is what I understand. Acha, volume and cost per click for each word, is it? What does that mean? Okay, so I think I gave it the same description. I want to create a Google Ads keyword tool. Keywords are the words appear next to the. But what would I get out of it? I don't understand. I don't know, bro. Okay. Uh, I want to. Okay, so let's do it. So entire screen, and then okay, let's do this. Let's so get it. Let's start. Let's restart and try to build it from scratch. Right. So I want to. I want you. So act as a senior software developer. Write a Python script that can retrieve all the Google auto complete complete keyword that will retrieve all the Google auto keywords when we enter a code. I want to also get uh, get so want to get metrics like metrics like volume and series of each keyword. Right, right. So let's look at this. I'm sorry if I can assist with that. Oh my god. Okay. Why? Mm, let's go with Bard. Let's check what this Bard has to say. Sorry, I cannot access the website. Oh, damn. Crazy, bro. Okay, so let's do this. Let me ChatGPT. So I'm gonna use ChatGPT 4. Yeah, and let's see what it does. You will need to try Google API. For our use case, we'll break the process down to three steps. Use custom search JSON API to get the autocomplete suggestions. Use external service like SEMrush or similar to get the volume supplement since the Google doesn't directly offer this info. Both process and fall working with API, which, which might have rate limits and costs associated with the usage. Cha, SEMrush is something. SEMrush. SEMrush is a tool in the, let's say, in yeah, best 10 test 10 test तो अरे यार damn. Simulation. Hmm. Uh, yes. So keyword difficulty CPC is $0.7, $0.37, component to 6, all keyword 5 point this questions dentist but actually this does not give any good results bro. Best instance volume of searches, let's say Bangalore. If I search this businessman, but if I search why it is not giving good information. Best dentist dentist passage Bangalore. So Reddit Quora, good dentist businesses. So we have different search results from SEM and I don't see here the same. We all want our own keywords. So okay, keyword magic tool. If we go, then it has best in this in Bangalore volume is uh, the average number of monthly searches for a keyword over a period of 12 months. Sort and use sort icon to display results in the sending. Okay, sure. So best dentist in Bangalore. Best dentist in Bangalore near me. Best pediatric dentist, cosmetic dentist. Right. So इसमें volume of searches, CPC, cost per click, average price, and usually advertisers pay for a user's click on the ad trigger. Hmm. 2 weeks. So I need to pay. Is that so? Keyword overview. Right. Sure. Hmm. So if I go here and come here, so it again is not giving the information. Yeah. So Google autocomplete API, but it is not for. It does not give information like volume, CPC. So this is not useful for me, right? Yeah. So Surf API is not something which I can use. I am giving I'm getting information like this that Google API key. So what API key should I use? Uh, Using Google's custom search JSON API. So if I go to Google GCP, which is from where the Google Cloud Platform console, and if I go to API, so what should I search for? Enable API and services, and let's see what API do we have. So custom search, uh, SEARCH, search ads, this API, search, what is this? Report and modify your advertising data in Search 360. Example campaigns are good. Search, report and modify your advertising data in Search 360. Report and modify your advertising data in Search Ads 360. Example campaign good. Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Okay. Through products and platforms like Search is good. But how does that help me? That's what I'm trying to understand. Uh, Documentation is here. So let's check it out. Create, manage, and track high impact campaigns across multiple search engines with one centralized tool. Impact campaigns. So I think it's about ads and use search ads 360 API upload offline conversation to upload offline conversions and modify existing conversions. For example, some customers might search for products online and click on your ad, but then complete the purchase offline. To connect the dots and attribute those offline conversions and use to data conversion 360. So this is not something. So this is basically for people who purchase. They might have clicked on an ad, right? But then they would have completed the purchase offline. So if you have the data, then you can do. So this is not what I'm looking for, and I need autocomplete. So let's say keyword. Let's see what do we get. This is the project name. Search Google Poly API. You can access growing collection of creative common 3D asset. No, I don't want that. Uh, I want keyword week earlier. I didn't keyword. I did search. What else can I try for? JSON custom search. Cus, Custom search API. Oh yeah. Okay. This JSON custom search API lets you develop website and application to retrieve display search result from Google custom search. You can use REST API requests to either get web search. Oh wow, nice. This looks interesting. The JSON custom search API lets you develop websites. Application to great. Application to retrieve and display search results from Google custom search. I don't want to get search results. I don't want that. Test. Right. I don't want the search results. Like I don't want this. I want the keyword. Damn. Even this is not what I require. I want. Uh, so let's search for autocomplete. Um, what auto complete it. Get data from the same database using Google Maps. No, bro, no, I don't want that. Where can I find that information? My God. Maps, machine learning, Google Workspace, YouTube, social advertising module, Google Enterprise API, other. Let's check others, maybe right. So, abusive experience support, actions API, still actions, add experience support, Android overlay, piano performance and discovery, API key API. What manages the API key associated with developer product? Okay, cultural list, books API, books custom Chrome Web Store API, data connector. I don't want destination. नहीं, I don't want this. Cloud support. I don't want this. Google Search Console API. Google Play. Let's try this. Provide tools for running validation test against single URL. Provide tools. I don't know what this means. Add this API to Explorer. Try out API. Okay. What does it do? I don't know, bro. Use the API Explorer to try it out. What करता क्या है यार ये? Try out guides. The Search Console URL testing tools API enable you to run various performance and validation against a single web page. These tests run as a non-logged in user with permission for Google bot crawler. This means that if your page is reported to prevent access to Google, this is not allowed. Okay. But what test? Performance and validation checks against a single web page. But I don't want to do that. So let's come back. Close it. Google survey, migration, Hangout, key knowledge graph. Search the Google knowledge graph for entities. Let's check. There might be something here. Hmm. Search the Google knowledge entities. What does that mean? I need to learn more. This might be something. The knowledge graph search API lets you find entities in the Google Knowledge Graph. The API uses standard uh, type schema.org type and is compliant of decent specification. What is getting a rank list of most notable entities that match a certain criteria? Predictivity completing entity in this. This is what I wanted. Great, bro. Uh, 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 Sample there was Taylor Swift. Okay, and key is this limited intro. So what we get is description. No. Wait. ID name, singer songwriter, image, URL. But I don't want that. Has a million of entities that describe. Array, I think introducing the knowledge graph things and things, not strings. Search is not about discovery, the basic human need to learn and broaden your horizons, but searching still requires a lot of hard work by the user. So today I'm really excited to launch Knowledge Graph, which will help you discover new information quickly and easily. Take a query like Taj Mahal. For more than 4 decades, search has essentially been about matching keywords and to queries. To a search engine, the words Taj Mahal have been just that, two words. But we all know that Taj Mahal has much richer meaning. You must think of one of the world's most beautiful monuments, a Grammy Award-winning musical, or possibly even a casino in Atlantic, depending on when you last ate the nearest Indian restaurant. A lot of things. uh, a graph that understands real world entities and the relationship to another thing, not strings. The knowledge graph enables you to search for things, people, a place that Google knows about, landmarks, celebrity cities, building, geographical features, and instantly get information that's relevant to your query. This is a critical first step towards building the next generation search, which taps into a collective intelligence of the web and understand the a world a bit more like people do. So, so it shows this also. That's what the Google can better understand the Korean. Okay. So basically, I don't want this, but let's understand this is interesting. The knowledge graph enables you to search things faster. You might think it's why working only model that understands real world entities and the relation between the real world entities. It might be useful. Uh, searches the Google knowledge. अरे यार, knowledge graph API. Not this, bro, not this. Yeah. Mm, no, bro, this is not good. तो मैप्स तो नहीं चाहिए, मशीन लर्निंग भी नहीं चाहिए, गूगल वर्क स्पेस भी नहीं चाहिए, एडवर्टाइजिंग भी नहीं चाहिए, मोबाइल तो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए। अदर से देख लिया, चलो इसको देखते हैं। एक्सेस एआई नहीं। क्लाउड भी नहीं चाहिए। सो क्लाउड storage transition. Data flow, data labeling, chat, Google Cloud API, Google Picker, notebooks.api on demand, and okay, traffic bin night try. Nope, 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 no, 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 no. फिर लाइब्रेरी में वापस आना पड़ेगा। किधर से मिलेगा? बट अगेन उसका जो काउंट है वो भी कहाँ से मिलेगा यार? आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू दैट। वो कुछ एड्स के बारे में बोल रहा था ब्रो वो, कि यार एड्स में से इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए मुझे, कुछ तो बोल रहा था। बट मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि तो क्या में क्या क्या मिलेगा उसको। हाँ, उसको कॉल करना पड़ेगा। ऑटोमेटेड अकाउंट मैनेजमेंट, कस्टम रिपोर्टिंग। It's a programmatic interface to use Google Lens. Hmm. End. Bye.